This 5-minute solution will show you how to add a Twitter link to a YouTube channel. Follow these easy steps to easily add your social media links to your YouTube channel. Make sure you are the owner of the YouTube channel and sign into your YouTube account. Now, click on your photo at the top right and open YouTube Studio. Once you are in YouTube Studio dashboard, here scroll down and click on Customization and select Basic Info, and here scroll down. Here you will get Links option. Click on Add Link. Link title, in this box type here Twitter, or if you want to add Facebook link, then you have to type here Facebook. And in this URL box, you have to add your Twitter profile link or URL. Once done, the same way you can add multiple social media links by clicking on Add Link. Once done, click on Publish. Now I'm going to opening my YouTube channel. And as you can see, here's my Twitter link has been added. If I click on more about this channel, also here we can see my Twitter. So this is how we can easily add our Twitter links to YouTube channel. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.